All right, this is kind of random but quick review I wanted to make on this Brother printer. And the reason I wanted to make this is because never in my life before this have I ever had the ability to say I was impressed with a printer. Printers are normally kind of the bane of our existence. Somehow we've gotten people to the moon, but we still can't figure out how to make a stupid printer connect consistently with a computer or a phone. Every printer I've tried, every inkjet type printer, regardless of the brand that I've tried, I've always had trouble with it printing for a longer period of time. It's difficult to set up. It doesn't come back to the internet when it shuts off. You have to reconnect it. You have to update it all the time. And then they break somehow after like 6 months. And also somehow they're out of ink after like 10 or 15 pages printed off on it. And then you're back buying another $40 cartridge to stick in it. And so there's a whole host of reasons why I hate printers so much. But I got a laser printer because I was tired of paying for ink refills, and I figured out that most of the time in the past year, I think we needed to print color once, and every other time we needed just black and white for shipping labels, Amazon returns, kids' projects for school, things like that. And so I figured it was time to get a laser printer, get toner instead of ink, have it last 750, 1,000 sheets or more, and be a lot cheaper than messing with ink. And so I got this Brother printer, and I was extremely impressed with this. So first of all, it's very quick to print. It has a large capacity down here. It's not even filled up very much. I have quite a few pages. I probably have 50 pages down here, but it can take a whole lot more. I think it's 250 page tray that goes down there. And so gone are the days of me trying to stack papers up on a little shelf on my old printers that I used to have. I can have all of them down here. The toner cartridge is easy to insert inside there. And then it prints off right up here. It's not shooting pages out the front of this like most printers do. It lands right up here on the top and it prints really quickly. It connects to the internet. I don't have any cables. It connected very quickly as soon as I downloaded the software to my computer, and it has never disconnected. I've unplugged it. I've plugged it back in. It goes to deep sleep when it hasn't been used, and I can print off on any computer in my house and disconnect to the network. And even my phones, in my even just Google Photos app, I can grab a document or something I've scanned in the past, click print on my phone, and my phone will print straight to it without any software, without anything else. Since it's a network printer, it shows up and it prints correctly every single time, even from our cell phones. Even though other printers I've had in the past have supposedly been able to do that, I've never gotten them to do it consistently. Either the phone won't recognize it, or a computer won't recognize it, or it disconnects itself from the internet. All these issues, it has not happened with this printer yet. So I've been extremely satisfied with that. The toner lasts a long time. The cartridge that came with this, the toner cartridge, is a smaller one than normal. I think it's supposedly up to 350 pages, and their normal toner cartridges, I think, are 750 to 1,000 pages. We've gone probably over that, and it's still printing just fine. And so I know I'm going to have to replace the toner soon from the one I got when I first got this printer, but it's still working just fine. And everything is great with it. The only issue that I had was when I first installed the toner cartridge, it was printing a black line on the side of the page. And so somehow I managed to smudge something when I was inserting it, I guess. And so I pulled it out, cleaned it off with a cotton ball as I watched an instructional video, put it back in there, and then it's printed fine since then. So that's the only issue I had. It wasn't even that it wasn't printing properly. It just had a black line on the side of each page because the toner got smudged there. Super easy interface, very easy to see. It's connected to the Wi-Fi. I always see it's green there, it's in standby, and it's connected. And so that's what I like to see. And so if you're tired of dealing with really crappy printers and you just want something that prints reliably and cost effectively in your house that doesn't take up a lot of space, I highly recommend this. You can see my hand right here. This is not a giant printer. Like, it's normal page size right here. You saw normal 8.5 and 11 sheet right there. It fits into a pretty compact space. It's not overly massive. But it does a lot for what it is. And so I highly recommend this Brother style printer. I know they have a bunch of different versions of this. Model numbers, I'm pretty sure all of them go off the same software and the same printer style. They just have different capacities and a few different features on them. So I'm pretty sure most of these Brother style laser printers you will be satisfied with that are in this category. So check this one out if you're tired of dealing with crappy printers.